Hey guys, so we're taking a clean bottle that we Mod Podged and we are placing some brown chalk paint on it. And we're going to kind of dab it so that we don't see any brush strokes. And we're going to go all the way up around the rim. And we don't do the very bottom where it sits, but we do the rest of it. We're going to give that a good dry. And then we're going to take some brown paint, some sand, and some Mod Podge, I believe. Yeah, Mod Podge. Or some brown paint and some sand first. And I'm going to apply it just to get some real grimy pieces on here, like thicker pieces. And then we're going to add some glue here, but you could use Mod Podge as well. And we're going to apply that. And that's just adding an extra layer of texture there. And we'll give that a good dry. Okay, once we do that, I'm going to use up the rest of what I got here and just make some real thick, grimy parts. And I'm using a silicone spatula to apply them. And then I'm taking a rust spray, but you could use an orange paint in a water bottle. And I'm spraying that on, and then I'm giving that a good dry. And it does do a little bit differently if you hold the bottle close as you spray or pull it back a little bit. So just play around and get it to what you like it. So then I'm going to take some glue and some coffee, and I'm going to put that around some different areas. I'm going to spray again, and this time I'm holding it closer, and then I'm just taking a sponge and kind of dabbing it so that it's not puddles. And then we're going to dry it. So you're basically just layering with a whole bunch of whatever you like. Then I'm going to place some Mod Podge directly on the bottle and place my coffee directly on the Mod Podge. And as it sort of soaks in there and dries, it gets real, I don't know, I call it yummy goodness. It gets real yummy goodness. We're going to give that a good dry, and you'll kind of see it sort of fester and bubble, and it's beautiful. It looks very worn and old. And then do any touch-ups that you need. You could go on doing this forever. It's a lot of fun. Alana's going to show you her project also. She was doing a rainbow with glitter, of course. There it is, you guys. Thanks so much for watching.